When you lose each other for half an hour. It's the longest we've been apart in a month.
Okay, so I went to jump on the train, and then when I jumped into the train, I didn't realise that the door was going to lock, and I walked. You survived in London, great start.
Looking like a wreck. My hair is crazy. Crazy ball. Out of a bug's life. I'm a bloody bug.
Okay. Oh my god, they got chocolate on them. Yup, I'm sold. I've eaten this whole packet, so biscuits are stuck together. Look at this. Should I just dunk this, reckon?
Dunk him.
I'm coming back with failure, but what do? Clearly they don't help you at all. They're just called a digestive biscuit. They don't make you go to the toilet.
Wholemeal.
Unless you're lactose intolerant like me. I'm banned after this one. Banned. Yeah. So basically these three stuck together again, so I'm just gonna eat all three. To me a tea and a biscuit.
Tea and biscuits.
Tea and a scone with the queen.
Different types. Pop-Tarts. Have a look at all these flavours. I'm not going to read them all. This store, Kinder and Bueno. Tarts. You got marshmallow, peanut butter. You got peanut butter chocolate. Every type of M&M that ever lived on the planet.
We are going crazy.
All different flavours. Look at that. Chocolate. I didn't even know. Shoes changed in the cloakroom, hence the shoes. So we got tea, serving of scones. So you get one fruit scone and one half scone, and we got some shortbread. Do I go too close? He's gonna run away. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Yum. Chevy. Take it. 50 euro cents or 50 cents? 50 euro cents. There's another one behind. Is that a mama?
You go.
You go? Say hi. You go, boss. Okay, yeah. So we didn't realise that today we're going to be at altitude going up to this point, like hiking kind of because it's a mountain. I'm like puffed out. So I'm fit. I haven't been to the gym in 4 weeks. Okay, so we just got the bus and the bus driver almost killed us, and then my glasses broke. Georgia got crushed in between the door. Fast and the Furious. I got all the colour.
Maybe drift around the corner.
Skirt, skirt. I don't know what this is, but I am not going to eat it. Quick, catch! No! So we're making a shell tower. liar. There's two types of people. The messy one, me, and the clean one. She just flicked everything onto my side. Usually they catch a fish here. Look at all this like stuff that they use. Using the stuff. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Caramelized pineapple. It's so good. He's in the vlog.
Well seen the vlog.
Full on raining in
European summer.
Loving it, Ricky. Is it good? Loving it. Loving the rain. Love it. So, Ricky is currently living in Lagos. And Georgia, we all know Georgia by now. At Nana's for lunch, and we're getting this burger. It's a toucan burger. Oh my god, Presta. Let's go. So Ricky is taking us in the van to, it's like a cave kind of swimming spot. Let's go, we're about to swim to a cave. Paddleboard all the way into that rock over there. You ready, my girl? Ready. So we're paddleboarding. Right. And she's saying left, right. Here we go, that's the way. Let's get it. Get it, girl. Woo! This is the beach. There's the cave. That's where we're going. It's Georgia. Woo-hoo! So good.
He's gonna make annoying siren noises. He's gonna randomly get up and start twerking.
There's like a bar thing here. You can like sit in the middle of this. It's so nice. Alright, and what did you say?
You had me at I.
You had me at I. Don't even need to finish the sentence. I didn't know you were such a good organ player.
Natural. We can do it. Lift mum, no hands.
Let me eat it. What is it? Gigi, our boss about tour guide.
Shibaki. She's like a skinless sausage.
This is a crew. Hopefully, disclaimer, surely everyone wants to be in the vlog. Yep. Skinless sausages. It's like kind of like a kofta, but like it's more healthy tasting. Clean up on aisle 2, there has been an explosion, natural disaster in Jess Barker's bag. Can't buy a new bag because we're in a small place, so cutting my bag up to try and save it.
I have to ask the place. Invented split, not bad, natural disaster has happened in the bag.
Being a trooper, absolute trooper, dealing with her bag as I just sit here and watch on.
Thank God it didn't happen to you. I'm so happy it happened to me, not you. I would
have died.
How are you liking the waterfall so far, my girl?
In love.
Everyone else is asleep on the bus, and that's what we do.
What did you do?
Nothing to see here.
I'm saving it for later.
Love me for who I am. Love me for who I am. Why? Yeah. Should I just throw it off Sail Croatia? Alrighty, we're about to get on our Sail Croatia. 3, 2, 1. Woo! We're in the water, Croatia! animal. Turn around. Turn around. No, Bubba.
You're not super photogenic, this doesn't work. But then the thing is that once we come here, if we start to walk away, she'll follow us.
Here's a little fam. Hey guys, sitting in like this tiny little thing. So fun. My pants were falling off. George's top flew off.
I got tiramisu and amaretti.
A biscuit, an Italian biscuit. What'd you get, G?
You got lemon and strawberry.
Whole nut coffee. Peanut caramel, strawberry wafer, strawberry biscuit, strawberry crusher, whatever this word is, almond. I can't do this. So much variety.
We're like the boy and girl version of each other, and Mark and Georgia are like the same person. They go into
Lactose intolerance.
We're both
No plastic.
we're both lactose intolerant. Mark and Georgia run away yet again.
Where the hell are they?
I can't. They're like the same person.
What are they even looking at? We already went through the chocolate aisle. What else is there?
Got it. Got the peanut. Got peanuts on top. Hey?
Has to be like a picnic.
The lime bar. You can only get this in the UK. Enjoy.
So this is what happens on the boat when you don't get dessert. Pretzels. Bread and Devon. Devon and sauce.
Bread and
Ketchup miles. People on our boat has a drone, so I'm going to show you this. It's like pretty cool. We're going to try and get the footage for it, but we'll see.
Oh my god, you're making a vlog, Josh. This is a big moment. Say your Instagram username now. Spell it out.
Oh, the line. This is a peanut line, so it kind of tastes like Snickers. I'm pulling weight for lunch. I got 3 scoops. How is it, boys?
It's the best ice cream I've ever eaten. And I've eaten a lot of ice cream.
Ooh, I've got the Snickers. I think I got the Snickers on top, then it goes toffee caramel, and then the Ferrero on the bottom. Not mad about it. Not mad about it. Hold it for me.
Hey, where'd you get that?
Why do you have stuff on it?
Where the hell did you get that? You have to be a girl to get it.
I didn't get it. And Frank is filming this in the worst angle. Thank you, Frank. I dropped some and it fell on my towel. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to eat it. Funny little bras and things thing. I'll attempt to sew up this whole rib. Get at home. I literally have 2 days left. Zippy, and it doesn't open anymore. It says I did stab myself once, but we did it, and I'm not buying a new bag because I am poor after this trip. So good. Jess, don't say I'm not good to you, baby. Get out.